Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with PayPal Business, complete guide step by step clearly. To register for a PayPal business account, begin by visiting the PayPal website. On the home page, look for the sign up button and click it. You will be presented with two account options. Select business account to proceed. Next, click on the Get Started button. You will be asked to enter your email address. Type in a valid email address you wish to associate with the account. Then, create a strong password for your account. Make sure your password meets the security requirements. Click on the Continue button to move forward. You will now need to provide some business information. Fill in your business name as you want it to appear on PayPal. Next, choose the type of business you operate. Options may include sole proprietorship, partnership, or corporation. Provide additional details about your business type and structure. These may include your business address and phone number. Now, enter the name of the business contact person. This should be someone who is authorized to manage the PayPal account. You will also need to provide your business tax ID number. This is crucial for compliance and may vary based on your location. Once you have filled in this information, click Continue. Next, select how you plan to accept payments. Options may include online payments, in-person transactions, or invoicing. After making your selection, click Continue again. You will now be prompted to link your bank account. Enter your bank details for seamless transaction processing. Make sure to verify the routing and account numbers. If you prefer, you can choose to skip this step for now. Continue by agreeing to the PayPal user agreement and privacy policy. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.